Let me guess. You open up Google Sheets, punch in some formulas, squint at your data, and hope for the best. But what if Sheets got smarter, way smarter? That's exactly what Gemini AI just did. You can now generate reports, summarize data, and even draft emails right inside your spreadsheet. Today, we're going to walk through 5 Gemini-powered tricks or hacks that'll save you hours without even figuring out how to type in a formula. Most people treat spreadsheets like glorified graph paper, right? And it makes sense until you're staring at 2,000 rows of campaign performance data and no idea where you should start. But here's the good news. Gemini is now built directly into Google Sheets. That means no more copy-paste into ChatGPT, no more toggling between apps. It's just you and your data and some serious AI firepower behind you. And it's not about replacing spreadsheet logic, not at all. It's about supercharging what you already have to be faster, better, and cleaner. Let's say you're a marketing manager preparing for Monday's leadership meeting. You've got 3 campaigns going, 5 regions, and way too many metrics. Normally, you'd probably spend about 45 minutes cleaning up the data, writing up a summary, formatting it. All you do is you highlight the data, type summarize this week's performance by region, and just like that, Gemini is going to spit out a ready to present overview right inside the sheet. You didn't have to create a formula, there was no friction, and you got to have lunch. So let's break down what Gemini can actually do, starting with some time-saving favorites. Number 1, it can summarize long rows of text. If you have messy form responses or long campaign notes, just prompt Gemini. Summarize each row into one clear sentence. It's going to clean up all the chaos without you having to read every line of that spreadsheet. Another example, generate example data. Let's say you need mock data for a dashboard pitch. Gemini can generate realistic names, job titles, revenue figures, or even hypothetical results so you can build faster. Example 3, draft copy based on row data. Let's say each row is a customer's name, a product, and a result. You can be like, hey Gemini, create a testimonial style sentence for each row using this structure. Suddenly you've got social proof or sales copy all ready to go. Example 4, you can explain formulas in plain English. So if you've ever inherited a spreadsheet from someone else with nightmare formulas, ask it, explain self F4 to me in plain language. What's it doing? It'll decode even the most tangled formula logic and be really friendly about it, like that spreadsheet coach. 5, write the formula for you. This is my favorite one. Instead of Googling how to calculate a conversion rate in Sheets, ask Gemini to write a formula to calculate conversion rate from column B to column C. Done, ready to paste. Now, can you use Gemini wrong? Of course. If your data is a mess or your prompts are vague, you're going to get junk back. That's common sense. And remember, AI is helpful, but it's not bulletproof. It's still learning from your cues and your data. So don't skip that human review. Don't go into that meeting without checking what it showed you. Use it to accelerate, not automate your judgment. So here's the big shift. You don't need to be a spreadsheet expert to look like one. Gemini is not replacing your skills. It's removing the grunt work between your brain and the final result. Use it for clarity, use it for creativity, use it for speed, and spend your energy where it actually counts, in strategy, in ideas, and in leadership. Next time you're in Sheets, click that little star icon, that's Gemini. Ask it to generate some sample data, or write a formula, or clean up some notes. See what happens when your spreadsheet starts working with you, not against you. This is Brains, Bots, and Business, where we're all in on AI. We'll catch you on the next one.